our 110 and 120 voltage bread slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 18 inches, depth of 24 3/4 inches, overall height of 23 inches. Features include 4 compression screws, depending how narrow or how wide you want your bread to go down to the drop-in and be sliced. The compression can be adjusted from narrow or how wide you want the batch to be. After dumping in your batch of bread, on the top here, the compression can also be set to narrow or high, depending on how much bread is being dumped in. So on the top here, depending on how narrow or wide for the bread you want to dump in, and on top, same feature, low or high to adjust the volume of bread going in. And coming from the back will be the area where the bread from the front will be dispensed and will be conveyed out from this portion area. We have your power switch along with the 110, 120 voltage plug. For more information on this product, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this bread slicer. Thank you.